Hey guys, I just fixed my DaVinci Resolve 19 that was crashing on start. I actually got pretty worried there for a second because I restarted my computer. I checked online and they said fix your firewalls, and I just couldn't get anything working no matter what I did, right? So, um, down on your taskbar, you can hit find local files, and then you click find local files, and then you go to troubleshoot compatibility, and then you click that, and it'll bring you up to this window here, and this window will say um try it'll have like a try something. This was what it was. Try recommended settings. And then it'll have another one. Settings click the try this adjustment, and then you click it, and then it says you have to test this. Oh, here it says settings applied to resolve Windows compatibility mode Windows 8, and it says you have to test this before you can agree. And then when I loaded it up, it's working now. I can actually use it. So I guess now I just click next, and then yes, save these settings for this program. Just waiting for it to save these settings. In the meantime, though, since I've already got this open, can I just open up? All right, yeah, that worked. It went onto my other monitor, but uh, we got DaVinci Resolve 19 working again. You guys gotta let me know if this works for you.